With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that all the Honorable Judges have assembled. I humbly request my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, to deliver your Lordship's speech.
My esteemed brother Justice G. Narendar, my esteemed sister and brother judges, Shri D. Srinivas, Learned Advocate General, Shri K. Chidambaram, President AP High Court Advocates Association, Shri P. Punna Rao, Deputy Solicitor General, Shri M. Lakshmi Narayana, Public Prosecutor, Shri E. Sambasiva Pratap, Additional Advocate General, law officers, learned senior advocates and members of the bar, members of the judicial fraternity, officers of the registry, family members of Justice Narendar, ladies and gentlemen, we have assembled here to bid an affectionate adieu to our esteemed brother Justice Narendar on his elevation as Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court. Justice Narendar had his early education in Tamil Nadu state. He was a keen sports person and was also adjudged as the best cadet in NCC in 1982-83. After completing his law course, was enrolled as an advocate in the year 89 with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and practiced in the High Court of Madras from 89 to 92, and thereafter shifted practice to the High Court of Karnataka at Bangalore in 1993, where he practiced extensively in almost all fields of law. Considering his vast experience and expertise in all branches of law, he was elevated as an additional judge of the Karnataka High Court on 2nd of January 2015 and was made permanent on 30th of December 2017. He served for more than 8 years in Karnataka High Court before being transferred to the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 30th of October 2023. Justice Narendar has been the Executive Chairman of the AP State Legal Services Authority from 22nd of August 24. During his short tenure as such, he convened meetings with chairpersons and secretaries of DLSAs and presidents of bar associations for organizing Lok Adalats. Under his aegis, the Legal Services Authority conducted extensive meetings with various insurance companies, as also the general public who had suffered on account of damage to both their movable and immovable properties in the recent floods, with a view to arrive at an early settlement of claims. The authority also got clothes distributed to the persons in Taliapalam village whose houses were inundated during the floods. Under the guidance of Justice Narendar, a National Lok Adalat was organized on 14th of September 24, in which approximately 78,937 cases which were pending and 4,806 pre-litigation cases were disposed of. Another Lok Adalat was organized recently on 14th of December, in which a remarkable number of 1,22,977 cases were settled. This is a record in itself. A medical camp was organized for children living in Medona School for the hearing impaired at Vijayawada, wherein 57 children were provided hearing aids in collaboration with Gurudeva Charitable Trust of Vizianagaram. And I want to point out here that one thing which I was most happy about was when Brother Narendar took the initiative to get all those children who were visually impaired, had them medically checked, and it gives me great satisfaction, and I'm sure Brother Narendar will also feel equally satisfied that after getting them medically checked, vision has been restored to 2 children who can now, I am told, see. This is the greatest gift which Brother Narendar could have given to the children of Andhra Pradesh, and enabling them to see what they had not been able to see for the last so many years. Several legal awareness programs were organized, especially for women in October and November, in coordination with the National Commission for Women, in which 5,460 women participated. The Legal Services Authority has, through the Hon'ble Legal Services, got verified the living conditions, infrastructure, food safety, and security of the inmates living in 110 schools and homes for the disabled. Justice Narendar, as chairman of the Juvenile Justice Committee, took keen interest in organizing the annual state-level stakeholders conference 2024 on protecting the rights of children with disabilities in collaboration with the state government's Department for Women and Child Development. In pursuance of the said conference, the Andhra Pradesh State Legal Services Authority took many steps which would ameliorate the conditions of the differently abled. Justice Narendar has been a member of the Administrative Committee, Transfer and Posting Committee of District Judges, Establishment Committee for General Administration of District Judiciary, Special Magistrates Committee, Committee to deal with arbitration, mediation and legal services, Permanent Committee for Designation of Senior Advocates, was a member of the Trustees of the Chief Justice's Relief Fund also. Apart from the contribution made by Justice Narendar on the administrative side, even on the judicial side, he made invaluable contribution which had a profound impact on improving the administration of justice in the state. During his tenure in this High Court, Justice Narendar has disposed of a large number of cases, and while doing so, he has shown his dexterity and legal acumen in all branches of law. His judgments are known to be lucid, reflecting the depth of knowledge and clarity on the fundamental principles of law, which will continue to guide the legal fraternity in future. We suffer a feeling of loss on losing a very good colleague who was an asset to the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on account of the invaluable contribution which he would make both on the judicial as also on the administrative side. Yet, our loss is certainly a gain for the High Court of Uttarakhand, which will gain immensely with Justice Narendar at the helm of affairs. Knowing Justice Narendar's friendly and affable nature, I have no doubt that he would endear himself to both the members of the bar as also his colleagues on the bench in the High Court of Uttarakhand and further enhance the prestige of that High Court. I, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, wish Justice Narendar a fulfilling and satisfying tenure at Uttarakhand High Court and pray that his stint in the said High Court is a stepping stone for enabling him to achieve greater heights in future.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request the Land Advocate General, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to deliver his speech on behalf of legal fraternity.
The Honorable Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Tagore, Honorable Sri Justice G. Narendar, Honorable Companion Judges, the Deputy Solicitor General of India, the Additional Advocate General, the Public Prosecutor, Sri K. Chidambaram, President, AP High Court Advocates Association, Registrars, Senior Counsel, Law Officers, members of legal fraternity and esteemed colleagues, respected family and friends of Sri Justice Narendar, ladies and gentlemen. It is with mixed emotions, pride, progress, and the inevitable sorrow of parting that we gather here today to bid a heartfelt farewell to Honorable Sri Justice Guhanathan Narendar, who has been elevated to the esteemed position of Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court. While we celebrate this momentous milestone in his Lordship's distinguished career, there is an undeniable bitter sweetness as we bid goodbye to an eminent and inspiring judge who has left an indelible mark on this institution. Sri Justice Narendar's life and career have been a testament to his steadfast commitment to discipline, excellence, and the pursuit of justice. Born on January 10, 1964, to Dr. M. Guhanathan, a respected officer in the Army Medical Corps, and Srimati G. Netravati, Justice Narendar imbibed values of service and integrity from an early age. From a young age, he demonstrated discipline and determination, excelling as both a sportsman and an NCC cadet. He was awarded the title of NCC Best Cadet for the year 82-83 by the commanding officer and was also a gold medalist in judo at the state championship during the same year. Sri Justice Narendar academic journey was equally stellar. He pursued his academic journey with distinction, completing his BA LLB degree and enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu in the year 1989. He began his practice in the High Court of Judicature at Madras, where he worked in the chambers of Sri D. Muralidharan, who later served as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Madras. In 1993, he transferred his name to the Karnataka State Bar Council. He began independent practice in 1996, specializing in a wide array of legal fields, including constitutional law, civil law, taxation, environmental law, arbitration, and intellectual property rights, to name a few. His versatility and command over complex legal issues quickly established him as a prominent figure in the legal fraternity. His dedication to legal practice was evident, as he has also served as a co-opted member of the Karnataka State Bar Council and as an additional government advocate in High Court of Karnataka. Recognizing his vast expertise, Sri Justice Narendar was elevated as an additional judge of the High Court of Karnataka on 2nd January 2015 and was made a permanent judge on 30th December 2017. His transfer to the High Court of Andhra Pradesh on 30th October 23 brought to this institution a jurist of immense capability and unparalleled dedication. Throughout his tenure, Sri Justice Narendar has been a beacon of judicial excellence. His landmark judgments have been widely recognized for their clarity, precision, and profound understanding of legal principles. These judgments, many of which have been published in esteemed law journals, have not only resolved intricate legal questions but also served as guiding precedents for the legal fraternity. Sri Justice Narendar is a man of many talents, seamlessly blending intellectual brilliance with his sharp sense of humor. Personally, I have had the privilege of arguing and interacting with him on many occasions and have always found him to be a courteous and considerate personality with a meticulous and focused approach to the cases entrusted to him. His ability to balance legal precision with human empathy serves as a guiding example and has made a lasting impression on all of us. Sri Justice Narendar has been a mentor to many junior advocates and legal professionals. His wisdom, patience, and dedication to judicial education has left a profound and lasting impact on all those fortunate enough to have appeared before him. His efforts have undoubtedly shaped the careers of many, and his legacy will continue to inspire those who follow in his footsteps. Sri Justice Narendar has often shared a deeply personal belief: the best teacher I have ever had is the bar. This simple yet profound statement speaks volumes about his approach to learning, his openness to new ideas, his receptiveness to the constructive feedback, and above all, his deep respect for the legal profession and those who practice it. As he assumes the esteemed role of Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court, we are confident that Justice Narendar will continue to uphold the highest traditions of the judiciary, bringing honor and recognition not only to the Uttarakhand High Court but also to this institution and the nation. His steadfast commitment to justice, equity, and fairness will undoubtedly leave an enduring legacy. As your Lordship embarks on this new journey, please know that your contributions to this institution will always be remembered and cherished. May your tenure as the Chief Justice of Uttarakhand High Court be marked by success, fulfillment, good health, and unwavering dedication to justice. And as we bid you farewell today, my Lord, we do so with the hope and confidence that your extraordinary journey will continue to scale even greater heights. May we soon see you adorn the highest seat of justice. Jai Hind.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request the Land President of the Bar Association, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to speak on behalf of legal fraternity.
My Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur ji, Justice G. Narendar ji, Honorable Judges of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Registrars of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Advocate General Dammalpati Srinivas Garu, Deputy Solicitor General Ponna Rao, Lakshmi Narayana, Public Prosecutor of the State of Andhra Pradesh, Additional Advocate General E. Samshiv Pratap, Senior Advocates, members of the bar, family members of the Justice Narendar. Today we gather to bid farewell to Honorable Sri Justice Guhanathan Narendar Garu, who has been appointed as Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court. This occasion is a bittersweet moment for all the members of the Andhra Pradesh High Court Advocates Association. While we celebrate this well-deserved elevation, we cannot help but feel the void his departure will create in our court. Justice G. Narendra Garu was born on 10th January 1964, enrolled as an advocate on 23rd August 1989 in Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, and later he got transferred his name to the rolls of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Appointed as Additional Judge of Karnataka High Court on 2nd January 2015 and as Permanent Judge on 30th December 2017, transferred to High Court of Andhra Pradesh and assumed charge as Judge of this Honorable Court on 30th October 2023. Justice Narendra Garu, though hailing from Karnataka, has truly become one of us. He has seamlessly blended into the fabric of this court and earned a special place in the hearts of every advocate who has had the privilege of appearing before him and litigant too. His demeanor in court, though serious at first glance, is filled with a warmth and wit that makes every proceeding in his courtroom a learning experience. When I sat down to prepare my thoughts for a day, I was surrounded by young members of our association, eager to share their admiration for Justice Narendar. Without exception, they spoke of the inspiring atmosphere of his courtroom. They described how he effortlessly waves references to the latest judgment and Supreme Court rulings into his discussions, making every moment in his court an educational experience. His friendly aura, combined with an unwavering sense of fairness, ensures that everyone feels heard, valued, and respected. Justice Narendra Garu is more than a judge. He is a mentor, a guide, and a role model. He has taught us many lessons, not just about the law, but about the values and the definite a good judge had compassionate human being. One particular lesson that resonates deeply with all of us is not to use the phrase obtain orders, reminding us of the decorum that the practice of law demands. To the young advocates, Justice Narendra Garu has been a beacon of inspiration, someone to emulate not only in the depth of legal knowledge, but also in the grace with which he conducts himself. To the senior members of the bar, he has been a peer who commands respect through his humility and wisdom. As your Lordship embark on this new chapter as Chief Justice of the Uttarakhand High Court, we are confident that your wit, intelligence, kindness and compassion will shine even brighter. On behalf of the Andhra Pradesh High Court Advocates Association, I extend our heartfelt gratitude for your exceptional service and our best wishes for your journey ahead. Thank you, sir, for being an outstanding role model and a true friend of the bar. Uttarakhand is indeed fortunate to welcome a Chief Justice of your caliber and character. May your tenure as Chief Justice be as remarkable as the legacy you leave behind here. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request the Land Deputy Solicitor General, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to speak for the legal fraternity.
My Lords, Honorable Chief Justice, my Lords, Honorable Justice G. Narendar, and other judges of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, respected Advocate General Sri Dammalpati Srinivas Garu, and all other dignitaries. I may be permitted to take a privilege that how the bar understood His Lordship's Justice G. Narendar. His Lordship's Justice Narendar is kind-hearted, humanitarian, having a knowledge, extreme knowledge, in all respects, in all branches of law. My Lords uses to encourage the young advocates. In fact, he uses to guide and how to present the case before the court. I myself had an experience with my lords that wherein I was guided and encouraged to appear before my lords and argue the cases. Before, when I wanted to place my views about my lords, I just also inquired with my other colleagues. In fact, all the members of the bar, with whomever I inquired, they have unanimously accepted the words that my lords is kind-hearted. In fact, it is needless to again repeat that my lords' judgments will itself speaks about the knowledge of my lord's justice. I pray the God that He fulfill all the wishes of my lords in future also. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I request Honorable Sri Justice G. Narendar to give His Lordship's reply.
Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh, High Court Sri Justice Dheeraj Singh Thakur ji, my esteemed sister and brother judges, Sri Damlapati Srinivas, Learned Advocate General, Sri Punna Rao, Deputy Solicitor General, Sri K. Chidambaram, President AP High Court Advocates Association, Sri P. Sambasiva Pratap, Learned Additional Advocate General, and Sri M. Lakshmi Narayana, Learned State Public Prosecutor, the learned senior advocates, learned members of the bar, law officers, advocates, members of the registry, and officers of the High Court, and the officers of the Legal Services Authority, Judicial Academy. Wish you all a very good evening. Today, I experience, as I'll be repetitive, as my Lord the Chief Justice said, and as repeated by the Advocate General and the President, it is a mixed bag of feelings. I've always heard many people say that time flies. In my case, it is, I can say it is apt, and this 14 months journey, nearly 14 months journey, I still remember, I feel as if I have stepped in yesterday, and the reason for that is the warmth and affection with which all of you welcome me, not only welcome me but have treated me till today. It all started with my learned brother Justice Seshasai, who received me on the first day I landed in Vijayawada, and thereafter my brothers and sisters ensured that I never ever regretted my transfer to Andhra Pradesh. I can say with authority and assurance that my stay here has been wonderful, and this is one of the most memorable phases in my life. Encomiums and words of praise have been showered by my Chief Justice. But the truth is, whatever enterprise, endeavor that I undertook, a big hand was behind me, and that was of my Chief Justice. He has never said no to any idea. He has never said, brother, shall we think? He has always given the go-ahead, and he has been like a backbone. All the endeavors, all the achievements which the Chief Justice recorded today, I think more than half the share of, more than half the credit is with my Chief Justice. He is a very positive and proactive personality, and that positivity and proactiveness probably washed off on me also. I believe our Chief Justice is going to leave a legacy of positivity and proactiveness. On the day I took oath, I promised you all that I would serve you all, serve this institution without fear or favor. I believe I have stood by my words, and the best judge or the judge of the judges is the bar. I leave it to your judgment. With regard to my work on the bench, I can only say this. I do not know if I have done a good work or any excellence, achieved any excellence, but certainly I have made an honest attempt, and with every case, at every order that I passed, I did it with diligence and with conviction. Today I stand before you all blessed with an even larger responsibility, and I hope to accomplish it with all your good wishes. Thank you all. Thank you.
With the permission of my Lord, the Honorable the Chief Justice, I declare that the proceedings are concluded.